Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a method of calculating the approximate age of a tree is to multiply the diameter of the tree in inches by a constant called the growth factor for that species. So every tree is going to grow at a different rate, so its growth factor is going to be different. And based off the information we're given in this table, which has multiple species of tree and their growth factor, what is the approximate age of an elm tree with a diameter of 12 inches? So we want to find the age, and we're told that we have to multiply the diameter by the growth factor. And we've been given both of these. So the diameter, we're told, is 12 inches. So we have 12 times the growth factor. So this is an American elm, so finding that in the chart, American elm's growth factor is 4.0, or just 4. And therefore, the age is 12 times 4 is 48, and then we're told it's the age in years, so 48 years. This lines up with answer D, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.